Welcome everyone to today's Educator to Educator webinar. My name is Jeremy Adney. I manage SMART's North American software business. We're really excited to have you here today as we chat through some tips and tricks for gamification. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our presenter today. Julie Kuzma is a instructional facilitator of technology at her school, and she is going to take us through some tips and tricks for gamification. Julie works, in a classroom environment, in a learning environment. She is not one of our smart, salespeople. She's a real life educator. So we want her to share her experiences with you today. So with that, Julie, thanks so much for joining us and sharing your insights with the group, and I'll pass it over to you.
All right. Thank you for that kind introduction. As Jeremy said, I'm an instructional facilitator of technology. So in Loudoun County, Virginia, I'm located about 40 miles west of Washington, D.C. The county wanted to change the name. They wanted to change the job because many times technology trainers in the schools are viewed as the ones that help with all of the troubleshooting. And they wanted to pull us away from more the instructional side of it as opposed to the technical fixing everything side of it. So with that, the county took all of the trainers and put them under this instructional facilitator umbrella. So we have instructional facilitators of technology, of reading, of math, one for each subject. So that's where that title comes from, and that's technically what it means. But when talking to people not in the county, I just say I'm a technology trainer because everybody understands that concept. All right, so a little more history about me. I became a SMART Exemplary Educator in 2011. It is an amazing program. I'd love to share information about with you, maybe at the end of it. It has been one of the best PT things I've ever done. I've been able to take part in some of their summits 3 different times. Each time has been amazing. And you'll see on your screen now, everyone in the blue shirts on the stairs, those are all the teachers that got to attend. Everybody else that's in there are all different levels of people in the company that work with us while we're there. It's amazing. I've been in the schools for the last 20 years. I've taught elementary grades, 1st grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade. I've done different STEM camps. I've done a lot of presentations, either regionally, locally, at state conferences, and adjunct face-to-face and online courses. So there's my background in a nutshell. All right, so now getting to the meat of what we're going to do now. Today's goal in the end is to help you with using games in your test preparation.